Hey, everyone! If you've been wanting to design stunning graphics but think Photoshop sounds like rocket science, then I'm here to introduce you to your new best friend, Canva. Today I'm walking you through the basics so you can go from a Canva newbie to a Canva pro, all for free in 2024. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about what Canva is. Imagine all the tools you need for graphic design, simplified and made super user-friendly. Canva is an online platform that lets anyone create beautiful designs with its drag and drop feature. Whether it's a logo, a poster, or even a YouTube thumbnail, Canva has got you covered. Now let's start with setting up your account. It's straightforward. Just head over to Canva's website or download the app. Create a free account using your email and bam, you're in the designer's seat. Once you're logged in, you'll see a plethora of design options. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, let's keep it simple. Click on Create a Design in the top right corner. Here you can choose what you want to create. Let's say you want to make an Instagram post. Click on that, and Canva will set up the perfect dimensions for you. All right, on to the fun part, designing. You'll see a sidebar with elements like text, backgrounds, and icons. Drag and drop anything that catches your eye onto your canvas. Mix and match colors and fonts until it feels right. Remember, there are no rules here. Just unleash your creativity. Here's a pro tip for you. Use Canva's templates. They are lifesavers, especially when you're starting out. These templates are designed by professionals and are totally customizable. Find one you like, tweak it a bit, and you've got yourself a professional-looking design in minutes. Lastly, let's talk about saving and sharing your masterpiece. Once you're satisfied with your creation, hit the download button at the top right. Choose your preferred format and download it to your device. Want to share it directly to social media? Just click on Share and select where you want it to go. Easy, right? And that's it. You've just made your first design on Canva. Wasn't that a breeze? With a bit of practice, you'll be making eye-catching designs in no time. Remember, every pro was once a beginner. So keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun with it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Catch you in the next one.